Unpacking the trend. Ever heard someone mention your aura? It's the idea that everyone has a unique energy field, glowing in different colors that reflect your mood and personality. In 2025, makeup has embraced this concept with the aura blush trend, using color to express your inner energy. Think of your face as a canvas, and your blush as the paint. You pick the colors that match your vibe: fiery red for bold days, lilac for calm ones. The look? Soft, blended circles of color radiating from your cheeks, like a gentle, glowing halo. It's not about perfection or rules. It's about celebrating your individuality. The aura blush trend turns your face into a living mood ring, letting your energy shine through. Instead of sharp lines, you get a diffused, ethereal glow, as if the light is coming from within. It's a playful, creative way to connect your inner self with your outer look. Ask yourself, what color is my energy today? Then bring it to life. Makeup, after all, should be about joy and self-expression. Why is aura blush everywhere in 2025? Because it's all about being yourself. For years, makeup was about flawless perfection. Now, it's about showing your true colors, literally. The trend celebrates individuality, letting you play with bold shades and creative techniques. The signature move, the halo effect, blush applied in soft, circular motions for a radiant, blooming look. It's not just for the young or trendy. Everyone from Gen Z to boomers is embracing aura-inspired makeup. The appeal is universal. Expressing your mood through color is something anyone can enjoy. After years of minimalism, people are craving more color, more fun, and more self-expression. Aura blush is a joyful rebellion. Maximalism is back. Vibrant pinks, electric blues, sunny yellows. This trend is about making a statement. It's inclusive, optimistic, and turns your face into a cheerful work of art. In 2025, we're all ready for a little more happiness and color. Why not glow for it? Ready to create your own aura? Here's how. Start by choosing your colors. 1, 2, or 3 shades for a gradient effect. Place your brightest color on the apple of your cheek, the spot that pops when you smile. Tap, don't swipe, to keep the color concentrated and vibrant. Next, blend a second shade around the edges, using soft, swirling motions to create a seamless halo. Blend upwards toward your temples for a lifted, radiant effect. The goal, a soft, cloud-like wash of color that looks like it's glowing from within. For extra cohesion, dust a little blush across your nose and under your eyes. Some even add a touch to the chin or forehead for an all-over aura. The result? A face that radiates energy and emotion. No harsh lines, just pure, blended color. It's easy, creative, and totally customizable. Your aura, your rules. The secret to a beautiful aura look? Build color gradually. Think watercolors. Start light, layer slowly for a soft airbrushed finish. Tap off excess blush and press gently onto your skin for control and smooth blending. Layer a shimmery or holographic highlighter on the high points, cheekbones, nose, brow bone, for a radiant, multi-dimensional glow. Modern powder blushes are the go-to for 2025 thanks to their soft-focused blurring effect. They glide on smoothly, blurring pores and creating that ethereal, diffused look. For beginners, keep it simple. Pick one happy color, use a fluffy brush, and blend in a soft circle on your cheeks. Once you're comfortable, experiment with more shades or extend the blush to your nose. The most important rule? Have fun. Perfection isn't the goal. Your aura is unique, so let it shine your way. Enjoy the process and embrace the creativity. Makeup is meant to be playful. The aura blush trend is all about color freedom. Popular shades, vibrant pinks, sunny yellows, fiery reds, electric blues, and deep indigos. Purple is a standout, think lilac to plum, symbolizing creativity and intuition. Gold is trending too, representing confidence and wisdom. Try a gold highlighter for a luxe finish. Not feeling bold? Ethereal pastels like baby pink, peach, and mint create a dreamy, soft aura. Mix and layer shades for a custom gradient. Sunset cheeks, anyone? Blend pink into orange or blue into purple for a mystical vibe. Choose colors for their aura meanings or just because you love them. The trend is your personal art project. No rules, just inspiration. Layer pastels for a watercolor effect or go bold for a statement. Express your mood, your energy, your way. Experiment until you find your perfect palette, your face, your masterpiece. The right products make your aura glow. Start with a luminous base. Tinted moisturizers or water-based skin tints keep skin fresh and dewy. Modern powder blushes are key. Look for finely milled, buildable formulas in bold shades. Don't fear bright colors. They blend out beautifully for a soft halo. Add a touch of shimmer with a liquid or cream highlighter on the high points of your face. The interplay of matte blush and glowing highlighter creates that magical, radiant effect. For a cohesive look, match your eyeshadow to your blush. Try a single bold shade or blend multiple colors. Monochromatic looks reinforce the idea of energy radiating from within. The right tools, a fluffy brush, and your favorite palette make all the difference. Let your products work together to create a seamless, glowing aura. Aura Blush didn't appear overnight, it evolved from earlier trends. In 2024, Aura Nails' soft, airbrushed circles of color took over, inspired by celebrities and social media. Before that, runways saw Aura eyeshadow diffused, multicolor gradients around the eyes. These looks paved the way for blush as the new canvas in 2025. Now, the Aura effect feels more wearable and integrated, blooming naturally from the skin. It's a blend of bold and soft, accessible for everyday life. The trend is a joyful invitation to play, experiment, and express yourself. Makeup is about confidence and creativity, not rules. Pick a color that makes you smile, grab your brush and glow. This is your aura. Let it shine.